Islands after the end of her 14-month marriage.
And our GMA cover story, 10 million names. Michael Strahan tracing his roots with the help of this groundbreaking project.
And it's spectacular. Jason Goldstein joined us with recipes to spice up your potato dishes.
Trump, the Georgia indictment. Now, with the deadline to surrender looming, what comes next? Plus, the first Republican debate. What surprises will be in store? Sunday morning on ABC's This Week.
I just need to break.
Rams, Raiders, today on ABC 7.
Good morning. It is a few minutes before 5 a.m. on your Saturday. This is a live look at our mega Doppler radar as Hurricane Hilary makes its way towards the west coast. For the first time ever, much of Southern California under a tropical storm warning. We are bracing for heavy rain, strong winds, and the potential for catastrophic flooding and mudslides. Good morning, everyone. I'm Mark Cotorobles.
And I'm Irene Cruz. Landfall is expected tomorrow, but we could start to see some of the first impacts today. Tony Cabrera tracking it all this morning. Tony.
Good morning, everybody. What a weekend we have ahead of us, and we're already seeing the first part of this storm starting to make its way towards Southern California. Look at all those lightning strikes just over the Salton Sea and then towards the border with Arizona there. That is going to pick up as the day progresses. Here is Hurricane Hilary now. We can see it with winds, sustained winds of up to 130 miles per hour. This is a Category 4, a strong hurricane that is just going north towards Baja. But look at the red. That's the temperature of the water. And it gets cooler. So we're getting into that zone where we're likely going to start to see it start to downgrade to a Category 3, and eventually, once it hits us, going into a tropical storm. So that's why we have a tropical storm warning. Again, the first time ever that the National Hurricane Center has issued one for Southern California. It started with the watch, and now that we're closer, it's turned into a warning. Most of Ventura County and then all of LA County, the IE, Orange County, and down towards San Diego County. Okay, so let's track this storm because everybody's concerned about the timing as it gets closer and closer. We're starting to learn a little bit more. We can see it turn into a 3, like I said, now a 2 at this point when we look at the overnight hours tonight going into tomorrow morning with winds of 100 miles per hour. Still very dangerous as it gets to the western coast of Baja California there. Then coming up towards San Diego, the border there. You can see this is a Sunday morning tomorrow, about 11 o'clock or so. It gets closer, but now we're starting to see the spaghetti models, still a little spread there. So this pink one goes right towards the San Diego area there. This one is staying over the water at that point. So we fast forward to about 2:30 in the afternoon. That's when it goes towards into California. The cone, that is the possibility for where this center of the storm is. So it's not necessarily of this hurricane. So a lot of elements that we'll be dealing with. Here's Sunday about 5:30 going into the evening hours now, and look how widespread this is over California at this point. A lot of rainfall there, but still these spaghetti models at this point there's still that range there. One right here, look, it goes straight towards Malibu. This one is far off compared to these. This is more agreement there. So that's something that we'll have to keep on watching. The National Hurricane Center releases these cones every 6 hours or so. So here is, once it passes, it goes north into Nevada, Bay Area being removed from that. Forecast model showing the rain, the timing of everything today pretty good until about this evening when Palm Springs starts to see action, then widespread at 11 o'clock for our eastern areas. We zoom out on the map here and you can see you're going to start to see more oranges, more reds as we get into tomorrow afternoon. Widespread. This is going to be a big event when it comes to rainfall and flooding. It could be catastrophic when it comes to how much water is coming down. 1 to 2 inches doesn't sound like a lot, but it can be when it comes down all at once. This is a tropical storm. This is not like a winter storm that we're talking about. 1 to 3 or so through our valleys and Inland Empire. These numbers can always change depending on the track there. Beach communities, surf, elevated. We're going to see some places, North Orange County could see waves of up to 8 to 10 feet possible. So that is going to be dangerous. I would not be in the water during this time. Mountains, flash flooding, mountain areas, the higher elevation is going to get hit the worst from this. They're going to get the most rainfall. And we could see some places getting up to a foot of rain on those eastern sides of the slopes. And then the deserts, a 40% chance flash flooding tomorrow.